Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today I will show you how I make my lime cheesecake. I start by whipping 200 grams of cream cheese. And I add 200 grams of sweetened condensed milk. And I whip them together with a cake mixer. Keep whipping until all lumps disappear. Always scrape the sides and make sure nothing is stuck there. Add a zest of 1 lime and 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of lime jello, and now the mixture is ready. I crush 100 grams of digestive biscuits. You can also do this step with the food processor, but this is easier and faster and keeps some chunks of biscuits for more texture. Grab your serving cups and add biscuits first, then the cheesecake mix, another layer of biscuits, and another layer of cheesecake mix. This recipe makes around 5 to 6 cheesecake cups. After I'm done, I'll chill them for a couple of hours. Finally, I whipped 200 ml of whipping cream with a little bit of sugar and decorated the cheesecake cups with it, added some more crushed biscuits and some lime wedges. And that's it. It's very delicious, very light, perfect for gatherings and occasions. Let me know if you try it in the comments, and thanks for watching.